Need a quick way to turn any YouTube video into text in 2026 without typing a single word? In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract and download clean YouTube transcripts in just one click using a powerful tool called YouTube Transcript. Whether you are a creator looking to repurpose your content, a student taking notes, or a marketer researching competitors, getting a clean text version of a video is a massive time saver. That is where YouTube-transcript.io comes in. It's an online tool designed to turn any public YouTube video into clean, formatted text instantly. Let's talk about how it works and its best features. First, it's incredibly easy to use. You just paste your YouTube link and the tool extracts the transcript in seconds. You get started for free with 25 tokens, and you don't even have to sign up to try it out. Once your transcript is generated, you can copy or download it with a single click. But it doesn't stop there. One of the best features is the built-in AI summarizer. If you don't want to read a massive wall of text, the AI can instantly turn those long transcripts into clear, concise summaries, perfect for quick blogs, notes, or social media posts. For power users, the platform also offers bulk channel extraction, playlist support, a Chrome extension, and even an API for automation. Now let's look at the pros and cons based on the available data. On the pro side, it's incredibly fast, requires no sign-up for your first 25 free extractions, and works on any public video. It's also Scam Advisor verified and SSL encrypted for security. On the con side, while the website proudly displays a high rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on over 33,000 user reviews, we don't have access to independent, detailed review sources to verify specific user complaints or see how the tool behaves under heavy usage. Additionally, your free access is limited to those 25 initial tokens before you need to look into their paid plans. Overall, if you need a quick, hassle-free way to grab clean text from a video right now, this tool is absolutely worth a try. Head over to youtube-transcript.io to test it out for yourself. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more clean, simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.